All right, everybody, and you've seen in the title of this video, this is the stock of the year. I am as bullish as can be on this, and in this video, I will explain why. We covered this stock ACTC in my last video where I talked about the best stocks of 2021, and today this stock was up 106%. You can see I had a two position. I just was nibbling into water at 1180. And after hours right now, we're sitting at about 25.10. So just a crazy day. And make sure you like and subscribe. All support is greatly appreciated. And now I'm going to show you why I thought everyone should buy it. In my last video, we thought this stock not only had a lot of potential ACTC because it is a green energy electric vehicle stock, which I think anyone can assume that really is the future. That might be, those stocks might be like the next tech stocks with an absolute boom coming in the future, because green, I really believe, is the future. But as we said before, this stock has direct ties to the incoming Biden presidential administration. Audrey Lee, who's a member of the Super PAC, Lee is also the co-chair of Biden's clean energy organization. So that's why we called this stock out. And with that, we were hoping that it would merge with somebody, and with Biden, the connection to Biden, that it would have a wider range of people that want to merge with it, companies that want to merge with it. And today we saw exactly that. The Super PAC ArcLight, like I said, also known as ACTC, merged with Proterra, and this merger was huge news. They plan on making electrical vehicles and technology, as you can see in this article. It mentions that they want to make buses, vans, and public transportation. And you can see here, it talks about how the Boston Special Purpose Company traded as high as $23.40 on Tuesday, and we're up nearly 72%. And since then, it's gone up even more. And with this stock having both presidential connections, connections at the highest level of American politics, and being in the green energy sector, which, I mean, everybody, I think we can all agree that really is the future. This stock boomed. I mean, 110% at one point in the day, about 108% right now in after hours. So this stock I would 100% recommend. I know a lot of people say the most dangerous time to buy a stock is right after it goes up, or when it's severely up, like 10%, not let alone 110%. But this stock, I really believe it went from a penny stock today to having over 12 million volume at one point. Like I said, hitting that 110% point, and it just, the future is bright for this stock. The merger is huge for this. Electrical vehicles, we've seen NIO and Tesla, what they've been able to do, and with this being a super PAC, with it merging, I think the sky is the limit for this stock. And with it going into public transportation, potentially, this could be getting tons of public funding. This stock is 190% a buy right now. Without a doubt, I recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be making more stock videos, finance videos, and we called this one, guys. If you would have seen it, you would have the opportunity to get in. A couple of the other ones, QCLN, which is another green energy ETF, has gone up 20% since the last video I put up. So you guys should make sure you subscribe, like, and I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, I'm out. You'll have a great day.